Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope everything is fine. Today we're going to make beetroot crostata. It's the week of beetroot, so we have here the crostata of beetroot. The ingredient is we have the flour, baking powder, brown sugar, and then we mix together the dry ingredients. After that, we put the beetroot, mashed beetroot, and then we mix together. 1 egg, we have also sesame oil. Here I put the oil, but you can put also butter, and it's up to you. Yeah, it's optional. It will be very healthier and light because it's for the diet. Yeah, we can benefit from the beetroot, so much vitamins and energy. Just try it, it's very nice and you will tell me. And then we just going to stand it, and then we have the jam. I have the jam, orange jam, but you can use also whatever you have in the house. That means albicocca or strawberry, so many jams that we have, and we can use whatever you have in the house. Yeah, it's different from the other crostata, but the benefit is more and very healthier, and it's very nice. And we have to put it in the oven also 180 degree, like 30 minutes. After that, just cool it down, and you can serve it for breakfast and merienda for everyone, for the children and the big ones. And thank you very much for watching. أحواتي نحاتين زالو معن تجيرنا يدلنا إن هلتنا بيتروت كروستاتا بطعمي هو فلي زبالتي ግን ንጥዕናና ብጣዕሚ ጽቡቕ ስለ ዝኾነ ክንፍትና ወሲና ኣለና እሱም ከኣፈትንዎ እሞ እንታይ ከም ምዃነ ከዓ ትነግሩኑ ማለት እዩ ስፈተናተሎ صحافለይ ማለት እዩ ይቐኒየለይ ኣብ ኩሉን ብኩሉን ደለኹም ኣሕዋተይ ስለቲ ምግዳስኩምን ሓገዝኩምን ስለቲ ሳብስክራይብ ትገብርዎን ኮሜንት ትገብርዎን ይቐኒየለይ ብሓቂ ስጋዕ ብኻልእ ናይ beetroot recipe ንራኸብ ይቐኒየለይ ቻው ብሩኽ መዓልቲ ብሩኽ ቀነ ቻው Here is our crostata. Looks delicious and nice with the sugar and pistachio for decoration. I thank you for watching and like, subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.